Good morning. Today I'm going to take you guys to Disney Springs. Hello, I'm Jennifer Sparks. Thank you for joining me this morning. We're going to be going to one of the, I think there's 3 parking garages at Disney Springs. I always park where no one else is parking in the front row, so it's easy to find my car later. Though it's not hard to find spaces. See all the green lights, especially now. The green lights will show you that there's a parking space there, so there's no need to keep driving around and around. You have to go down a couple escalators or elevators to actually get to the Disney Springs area. Facial coverings are required now as everywhere else, and they'll tell you.
Face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth and be worn at all times, except when actively eating or drinking while stationary. Clean your hands often and thoroughly.
They repeat that over and over and over again.
It's that same balloon I saw over when I stayed at Sable Palms. I always want to say Cypress Harbor, but it was Sable Palms by the Marriott World Center. I saw that from my lanai.
And I have stayed at Cypress Harbor and Sable Palms many times before. And shameless plug, I have many videos of them if you want to check them out. That is a Marriott Vacation Club. Disney Springs is a really cool place to come. Especially like if you are short on time or money, it's free to get in, which is nice. There's a lot of stores, a lot of Disney items, a lot of restaurants with celebrity chefs. There's quick food options like a pizza place, burger place. They have a sandwich place there that's really popular. Reservations are strongly recommended, especially in the evenings. You could get the Disney app right on your phone, and you can make reservations right there. It's pretty cool. I keep showcasing this big balloon in the sky. It's pretty cool. I've never actually been on it or know how much it costs. I really have no clue. I just thought it's pretty neat. Disney Springs is situated on a beautiful lake. They're surrounded by several hotels. They have a boat that will take you back and forth if you're staying at one of the hotels. Saratoga Springs is actually in walking distance, so you could take a little shuttle boat, or you can also walk too. I'm going to be actually taking you guys there. I'm going to go take a little walk over there later in the video and show you around. The hotels over there are Riverside and French Quarter. Those are actually hotels that you book, where Saratoga Springs is more, they call it a DVC, with Disney Vacation Club. These are just some photos that I took. There's just so much to talk about in so little time. I think it's time for happy hour. Here we go. All the places, no, I shouldn't say all the places. Some of the places have happy hour. 2 of the places in particular have $5 drinks, I think all day. At least this place that I got the margarita did. It's Paradiso37, I think it's called. Now for our stroll over to Saratoga Springs. It's beautiful, lovely, like all Disney resorts. Lots of windy trails to walk around. There was a pool. There was probably several pools. I only saw one. The benefit of staying at a Disney Vacation Club, obviously, is that the size of the unit villa is so much bigger than a regular hotel room, which is very appealing to families. And to me as well. I usually travel solo, actually, and I still prefer a villa just because I spend a lot of time in my room, especially now. I don't own a Disney Vacation Club, though. I own a different timeshare property. Timeshares aren't for everyone. A lot of people buy one and they never get to use it. Like, if you only have 1 or 2 weeks off a year, it is not for you. Definitely not. It's great, though, for a retired person or someone that can work independently. Well, that's a wrap. I'm running out of time, and that's for another video. I will make another video about that topic because that's very important. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this film. And if you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I would love, love, love that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.